Go to kelbertuniversity.com and click on Student Portal. Then log in with your username and password. This is the Student Portal. You can find quick links at the top, such as website. This will take you directly to our website. You can return and then click on Canvas. This will take you to Kelbert University Canvas page where you can log in and do your homework. You can then scroll down to application. You could create a new application in the case you want to start another program. You can return and then click on application status where you could take a look at your current application. Moving down, you have finance. You could click make a payment. This will show you your current balance. And if you want to change the amount of payment, feel free to do so, then click one-time payment. This will lead you to this window where you could submit your payment. Then look at billing statement. Billing statement will give you a history of everything you have done financially at Kelbert. You can then look at the academic section, such as enrollment. Here you will see all of the classes you've taken. And you could also access your unofficial transcript. And that's pretty much it. If you happen to have any questions, reach out to us directly.